gardening set. This tool bag is packed with 21 pieces of gardening tool set, a beautiful flower, unique floral design, just adorable. The tools also have the beautiful floral design, aluminum and rubber grip handles. This set is so cute, so many pieces involved in this set. I'm so excited to get started here and show you. But to start, this great little tote bag, it's great to store all of your gardening items. It has side pockets that you can put items in, easy to grab, easy to reach when you are gardening. This is a full gardening set. It also comes with 11 pieces of a succulent gardening set, which is a great overall combination, you know, for your smaller plants and your larger plants, your garden, your planted pots of flowers. You're gonna love everything about this. These are made with heavy duty aluminum. They are absolutely amazing, so beautiful and fun. It's gonna make gardening so fun. Cultivator, shear, you get a gardening pliers, gardening gloves, elbow pads, everything absolutely needed for gardening. It's so cute and fun. You get adorable little succulent tools as well. It's just gonna be so cute and just so easy to do all your gardening skills. So I can't brag enough. Everything you need for gardening and taking care of your plants is right here accessible in this cute little bag. Everything is made of high grade material, rust free, rubber grip. The aluminum's pretty, the patterns are beautiful. They help remove hand fatigue and make gardening so much easier and so much more fun. I can't wait to show you how much I love this gardening set and how I use it.